Welcome back, student. Now we are going to start third method to prepare amine, primary amine. Third is by reduction of alkyl cyanide. What is alkyl cyanide? RCN, or we can write RC triple bond N. Okay, this is alkyl cyanide. C triple bond N, this is cyanide group. Okay, now if we add hydrogen atom across this carbon nitrogen triple bond and convert it into carbon nitrogen single bond, then what we have to do? If I want to convert carbon nitrogen triple bond into carbon nitrogen single bond, I have to add 4 hydrogen atom. If we add 4 hydrogen atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, then this carbon nitrogen triple bond get converted into carbon nitrogen single bond. And what is this? RCH2 NH2. This is primary amine. This is primary amine. So it means if we perform addition of hydrogen means what? Reduction. If we perform reduction of alkyl cyanide, this is alkyl cyanide. If we add 4 free hydrogen across carbon nitrogen triple bond, then that get converted into amine, primary amine. That is primary amine, and this is reduction. So to perform this reduction, we have to use reducing agent. Okay, and in this reaction, one of the best reducing agent is sodium in presence of ethanol, C2H5OH, ethanol. This is the one of the reducing agent, and this reducing agent going to produce 4 hydrogen atom, free nascent hydrogen, and this free hydrogen get add across carbon nitrogen triple bond and convert it into carbon nitrogen single bond. That is primary amine. So reduction of alkyl halide. What we have to do? This alkyl cyanide, this is alkyl cyanide. Alkyl cyanide molecule is treated with reducing agent. Is treated with reducing agent like sodium in presence of ethanol. Sodium in presence of ethanol. Then alkyl cyanide get converted into primary amine. This reaction is also known as Mendeus reduction. Remember name, Mendeus reduction. Okay, in Mendeus reduction, what we have to do? We have to treat alkyl cyanide with sodium and ethanol. Sodium and ethanol react together, which produce 4 free hydrogen, and these 4 free hydrogen get add across carbon nitrogen triple bond and convert it into carbon nitrogen single bond, and alkyl cyanide get converted into primary amine. So this is very simple reaction which is known as Mendeus reduction, very important. For example, methyl cyanide. Okay, methyl cyanide is treated with sodium and ethanol, then it will produce 4 free hydrogen. These 4 free hydrogen, methyl cyanide, then these 4 free hydrogen add across carbon nitrogen triple bond, get converted into C, get converted to CH2, and N get converted into NH2. That is ethyl amine. Ethyl amine. Okay, very simple reaction. Now suppose just one question, how will you convert methyl halide or bromide into ethyl amine? Ethyl amine. For example, what we have to do? See, methyl bromide having formula CH3Br, and we want to convert it into ethyl amine, CH3 CH2 NH2. See what we have to do. Here number of carbon atom 1. Here number of carbon equal to 2. Means there is increase in carbon atom. So directly it is not possible. There is no, if we treat this methyl bromide with ammonia, then it will not going to give ethyl amine. It will form methyl amine. But we want ethyl amine, number of carbon atom 2. What we have to do in this reaction? See, very simple. First, this methyl bromide is treated with KCN. KCN, potassium cyanide. Very simple reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this reaction, this Br get replaced by Cn minus and it will give CH3Cn. That is nucleophilic substitution reaction, methyl cyanide will form. Very simple reaction. Okay. Then this methyl cyanide is treated with sodium ethanol, undergo reduction and it will convert CH3, CH2, NH2, that is ethyl amine. So very simple reaction. If you want to increase the number of carbon atom, then this is the proper way. Okay. So first, alkyl halide, any alkyl halide, in general I will write general reaction Rx plus KCN, it get converted to RC triple bond N, cyanide group. Okay. Then this treated with sodium metal, sodium and ethanol. See, RCH2 NH2. Okay. So this is the means two-step reaction, that is we can write Rx, first KCN, second NaC2H5OH, then RCH2 NH2. This is the direct way to convert Rx into RCH2 NH2. If you want to increase carbon atom here, then this is the method. Okay, very simple. So this is one of the method to convert alkyl cyanide into alkyl amine. Okay, primary amine. Then next method, by reduction of amide. Second, by reduction of amide. Amide we know RCONH2. This compound is known as amide. We want to convert this amide into amine. See, what we have to do? See, in this reaction, this amide is treated with lithium aluminum hydride or sodium ethanol. Okay, these are reducing agent. Lithium aluminum hydride is a hydride donor reducing agent. It will donate hydride ion to this and convert or reduce it. Then this reagent, what this reagent do? This reagent converts CO into CH2. Very simple. What is the role of this reagent? To convert CO, carbonyl group, into methylene group, CH2. Okay, very simple. So amide get converted into primary amine. Very simple. So for example, CH3CONH2, acetamide, name is acetamide, react with lithium aluminum hydride. First step and second step is hydrolysis. Okay, that is there. Then this complete reaction will convert CH3 CH2 NH2, that is ethyl amine. Ethyl amine is a product. If we take benzamide, another aromatic amide, for example benzamide, benzene ring, CO NH2, and treated with this reagent, reducing agent, lithium aluminium hydride and then hydrolysis. Similarly, what happen? CH2 NH2. This is the amine form. Okay, this is benzamide. Okay, so in this way we can convert or reduce amide into amine. Okay, so this is fourth method for the preparation of primary amine. First from alkyl halide, second by reduction of what was second? Which is second method? Again reduction nitro compound, and third by reduction of alkyl cyanide, and fourth reduction of amide. And there is one more method to prepare primary amine. Okay, we will see in next class. Thank you very much.